Hello everyone, David Lewis here, and I'd like to ask you a question. Now, it is a silly question because I already know the answer. And the question is this: do you think customers are defensive when they initially come to the dealership? And of course, we all know that they are. Now, what our qualification step does in our sales process is a number of things. Number one, it makes them more defensive. Why? Because we're asking them questions that they might not be prepared to answer. And they do believe that these questions are designed to give the salesperson a competitive edge. Number two, it validates that we are going to apply pressure to them by the questions we ask. And number three, it creates some people to actually lie to us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a suggestion. When I do my qualification step, I only ask 2 questions. And these 2 questions do not create any of those problems. It doesn't create a defensive posture, it doesn't validate anything, and it doesn't create a customer that lies. My first question is, are you looking for a new or used car? And we all know nobody's going to lie about that, and nobody's going to get more defensive. And the second question is, are you looking for a coupe, a sedan, a minivan, utility vehicle, or truck? And again, nobody's going to lie or become defensive about that. You see, all I want to do in my qualification step is find a direction on the lot that I want to go. So if the customer states I'm looking for a new truck, great. I know exactly where to go. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, well, I want to know their budget. I want to know their timeline. I want to know who is involved in the buying decision. And you know what? None of that matters at this point. All I want to do is get that customer out on the lot to find a vehicle that they fall in love with. Because once they do that, all the other pieces will fall into place. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.